Welcome to our channel. Accessing streaming content in 2025 means using legitimate services with proper licensing. Follow these step-by-step instructions for legal streaming. Step 1. Understand that content licensing determines where shows and movies are available. Studios license content to specific services for defined periods. Step 2. Use streaming search engines like JustWatch or ReelGood to find where specific titles are legally available across all services. Step 3. Subscribe to services that consistently offer content you enjoy. If you love Marvel, get Disney+. For HBO shows, subscribe to HBO Max. Step 4. Take advantage of free trials to sample services before committing. Most offer 7 to 30-day trials for new subscribers. Step 5. Consider annual subscriptions if available. Many services offer discounts of 15 to 20% when paying yearly instead of monthly. Step 6. Look for bundled deals. Disney+, Hulu, and ESPN+ bundle together for savings. Other services offer similar packages. Step 7. Rotate subscriptions throughout the year. Subscribe to a service, watch everything you want, cancel, then move to another service. Step 8. Remember that legal streaming supports content creators, actors, and everyone involved in making entertainment. Avoid apps promising free access to everything, as these facilitate piracy and harm the industry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.